Okay, welcome back to the channel. I hope all of you are doing great today. Now, on today's episode, we are going to just learn about what is bull market. Okay, I will discuss about its characteristic, then example, dynamics. Then we will see with the Tesla example also. Okay. Now, what is the key characteristic of bull market? Price drop by 10% or more, trading volume increase, price rise, trading volume increase. I think price rise by 20% or more. Okay, now I have made this for you to easily understood about this also. What is bull market? Imagine a party where everyone is excited and buying buying snacks like a crazy. That's a bull market. When price of the assets like stock, bond, or the commodity keep climbing, driven by optimism and confidence, think of it as a market where everyone expect the good times to roll on. Okay. Definition: the market where price increased by 20% or more from a recent low lasting month or even a year also. Now, like a bull charging upward its horn, price soar in the bull market. Okay, now bull market is a period of rising assist price fueled by investor enthusiasm and economic strength. Discussion uh, economic instant. Okay, can you think a time when people around you were super excited about something trending? How does that relate to a bull market? Okay, now we will see the characteristic of the bull market also. Here are the main characteristic: rising price, stock price or indices. S&P 500 keep going up like a rocket. Now strong investor confidence, people believe in market, so they buy more, pushing price higher also. Economic growth also, the economy booms with strong GDP, low unemployment and growing company profit. Now high trading volume, more people join the party, making the market lively and liquid. Positive sentiment, news and analysis cheer for the growth, encouraging more investment. Now, sector performance, tech and consumer sector often lead like star players in winning team. Now, a bull market sign with the rise prices, confident investor and booming economy. Okay, why do you think people get so excited in bull market? What might make them cautious? Okay, a historical example, a background. Then we'll see S&P 500 hit low 676.53 on March 9, 2009 during a great recession. After the low interest rate, government support and economic recovery fueled by a huge rally. Then by March 2020, S&P 500 hit 3,386 um, 15 of 400% jump from its 2009 low. Giant like Apple and Amazon lead with Apple stock soaring from $12 to $80 by 2020. Then a driver Federal Reserve's a low interest rate made a borrowing very cheap. Then tech company posted a massive earning growth also. Investor trusted the economy's recovery. After outcome, this 11-year bull market ended with COVID-19 crash in March 2020. In 2009 to 2020, bull market powered by policy and tech saw S&P 500 soar over 400%. Okay, how do you think government policy like low interest rate affect every day during a bull market? Okay, now, dynamics, okay. Now, economic indicator, GDP growth, strong economy boost company profit, lifting stock prices, low unemployment, more job means more spending, helping business grow. Interest rate, a low rate makes borrowing cheap and stock more appealing than the bond. FOMO, fear of missing out as price rise, more people jump in chasing trending. Okay, like TikTok, okay, people used to see on TikTok video, then the positive feedback loop. Higher prices create a wealth boosting confidence in spending, okay. Now, market trend, sector rotation, investor flock to hot sector like tech or healthcare. Then IPO activity, new company go public to cash in high valuation. Overvaluation price can get too high, risking bubble. Example, .com crash in 2000. Correction, temporary 10 to 20% dip happen, but don't stop the bull run. Okay, bull market grow through the economic strength, investor excitement and trend, but face risks like bubble also. Now, Tesla example. Context, Tesla rode the wave of excitement after 2020 market rebound. Okay, on January 2020, its share was around $35 after a split adjusted. Then on 2029, it rose by $333 per share, which has shown massive gain around 850%. Huge demand for electric vehicles and Tesla production growth aided the S&P 500 in December 2020, boosting visibility. Investors loved Tesla green energy and innovation vibe. And now the Tesla has topped the 1 trillion market cap, poster style for bull market mania. Okay, see, you can see how the Tesla price stock move. Okay, Lyft innovative company discussion point. Why do you think Tesla stock moves so fast? What makes the company exciting in the bull market? Can you make that? Okay, how why bull market is necessary? For wealth creation, investor portfolio grow, giving them more financial freedom. Economic boost, risking rising stock makes people feel richer so they can spend more. Investment opportunity, new investor jump in growing the market reach. Bull market create wealth, fuel economic growth and open doors for new investor. Okay, what will the bull market affect our community or family? Okay, now key takeaway. Bull market are the period of rising price 20% from low, also driven by optimism and growth. They are fueled by strong economics, low interest rate, investor excitement. Historical example 2009 to 2020 show a massive gain S&P 500 up to 200%. Company like Tesla can skyrocket 850% in 2020 to 2021 due to innovation in hype. They can create the wealth opportunity and but also carry the risks like overvaluation. Summary, that the bull market are the exciting growth period that boost wealth and but need cautious navigation. Discussion, okay. The one thing that we all have to remember about bull market and how might it influence our future discussion. Okay. Now this much for today. Okay, have a great day.